Now we are discussing about output of logic gates, output of logic circuits. Now we are discussing about how to find the output of logic circuit. There is a logic circuit. This is a simple logic circuit having two inputs. A and B are the input. In the circuit, there are two gates are there. There are two gates are there. NOT gate and AND gate. NOT gate having one input and one output. NOT gate is an inverted version. NOT gate is an inverted version. Okay. Assume that A equal to 0, B equal to 1. A equal to 0 and B equal to 1. In the case of NOT gate, A is converted into 1. NOT gate is an inverted. 0 is converted into 1 and 1 is converted into 0. Okay. So, this 0 is converted into 1. Next gate is AND gate. AND gate having two inputs. AND gate having two inputs. 1 and 1. Two inputs. AND gate using multiplication operation. So, 1 into 1 equal to 1. Our output is 1. We got the output 1. Another example. Another example. There are two inputs A and B. Assume that A is 0, B is 1. In this logic circuit, there are three gates are there. In this logic circuit, there are three gates are there. Two NOT gates, two AND gate and one OR gate. In the case of NOT gate, first gate is NOT gate. 0 is converted into 1. 1 is converted into 0. In the case of NOT gate is an inverted version. So, 0 is converted into 1, 1 is converted into 0. Next gate is AND gate. This is AND gate. AND gate having two inputs. First input and second input. There are two inputs are in AND gate. First input is 1. Second input is 1. 1 into 1. AND gate using multiplication operation. So, 1 into 1 is 1. In the case of second AND gate, there are two inputs. 0 and 1. 0. 0 and 0 are the two inputs. 0 and 0. Two inputs. 0 into 0 equal to 0. Third gate is NOR gate. Our third gate is NOR gate. This is, OR gate. This is OR gate. OR gate having two inputs. First input is 1, second input is 0. OR gate using addition operation. So, 1 plus 0 equal to 1. Our output is 1. Another example. Another example. Having three inputs A, B and C. A is 0, B is 1, C is 0. In this circuit, there are three gates are there. In this circuit, there are three gates are there. AND gate, NOT gate, OR gate. In the case of AND gate, two inputs are there, 0 and 1. And gate is a multiplication operation, so 0 into 1 equal to 0. NOT gate is an inverted version, so 0 is converted into 1. Okay, 0 is converted into 1 in the case of NOT gate. Next gate is OR gate. OR gate having two inputs, first input and second input. First input is 0, second input is 1. OR gate using addition operation, so 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Our output is 1. Another example. In this figure, three inputs are there, A, B and C. Assume A equal to 0, B equal to 0, C equal to 1. In this case, there are three gates are there. AND gate, NOT gate, NOR gate. Not OR gate is NOR gate. There are two inputs are in AND gate, 0 and 0. 0, 0. 0 into 0 is 0. NOT gate is converted into 0. 1 is converted into 0. Next gate is NOR gate. NOR gate having two inputs. NOR gate having two inputs, 0 and 0. 0 and 0 is 1. In the case of NOR gate, 0, 0 is 1. Again another example. A, B are two inputs, 0 and 1. 0 is converted into 1. Sorry, in the AND gate there are two inputs are there. This is C. C is 0. Okay. 0 is converted into 1. In the case of AND gate, 0 into 1 is 0. Then, in the case of NAND gate, there are two inputs are there, 1 and 0. This is not AND gate. In truth table, in the case of not AND gate, 0 and 1 are the inputs. 1 and 0 are the inputs. So the output is 1. Okay.